In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva presentation to PowerPoint. If you've built a slide deck in Canva and need to present it in Microsoft PowerPoint, or share it with someone who prefers the .pptx format, this quick process will get you there with just a few clicks. We'll work directly from your open Canva design, and I'll point out a few helpful options so your export looks the way you expect. Start in your Canva presentation. Before exporting, give Canva a second to auto-save any recent edits, so everything you've changed makes it into the PowerPoint file. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This opens a panel with ways to distribute or download your design. Even though it says Share, this is also where Canva keeps the file export tools, so you're in the right place. Inside the Share panel, click Download. This brings up the download settings window, which controls the format, quality, and which slides to include. Think of this as your final checkpoint before creating the file you'll hand off. Next, open the File Type dropdown. Canva supports several formats, but for PowerPoint you want the standard .pptx file. Choosing the correct format here is important. PDF is great for printing, images are good for single slides, but only PPTX will keep your presentation structured as editable slides in PowerPoint. Select PPTX from the list. After you choose it, you may see additional options such as which pages to include. If you want the entire presentation, leave it set to all pages. If you only need a subset, you can specify those pages here. Keep in mind that most text, shapes, and images transfer cleanly, but certain Canva-only animations, video, or special effects may appear differently in PowerPoint. That's normal because the programs handle effects in different ways. When everything looks good, click Download. Canva will prepare your file, and your browser will begin downloading it as a .pptx. The time this takes depends on your internet connection and the size of your presentation, so larger decks with lots of media may take a bit longer. The file name will match your Canva design title, and it will land in your browser's default downloads location. That's it. You've saved your Canva presentation to PowerPoint. From here, you can share the .pptx file, upload it to a meeting platform, or open it in PowerPoint to present or fine-tune. If anything looks slightly off after export, do a quick pass in PowerPoint to adjust fonts or alignment, and you're ready to go.